In 1922, Theodor Blumenbecker founded an armature winding company. What began as a small business with the repair of electric motors has developed into an international industrial service provider over the last 100 years. No matter whether it's switchgear construction, the maintenance of crane systems, the installation of industrial doors, C-parts management, the manufacture of airport ground support equipment, or the development of robot applications. Today, we offer a wide range of services for industry and trade with our 3 areas of competence: industrial automation, industrial trade, and industrial service. In collaboration with the customer, we ensure that his production is ready for operation. At the same time, we have digitalization in mind and also look forward to working side by side with our partners.